हाय फ्रेंड्स, मेरा नाम तनीषा सैनी है और मैं कक्षा छठी की छात्रा हूँ। मैंने एक पीपीटी तैयार की है जो कि तेलंगाना के ऊपर है, जो कि तेलंगाना पर बेस्ड है। तो चलो मेरी पीपीटी को शुरू करते हैं। तो फर्स्ट हमें तेलंगाना का इंटरफेस देखने को मिलता है। ये वाला जो है ये तेलंगाना का मैप है। नेक्स्ट स्लाइड। हम यहाँ पर बात करने वाले हैं सबसे पहले अबाउट तेलंगाना। तेलंगाना became the 29th state of India 2 June 2014. It was previously a part of the state that was earlier known as Andhra Pradesh. Before India became independent, it was included in the state of Hyderabad, comprised two divisions, namely Warangal and Medak. Next slide. Etymology. The name of Telangana is thought to have been derived from the word Trilinga Desa, which translates to the country of three links. You can see the map of Telangana. List of districts in Telangana. Following the list of the districts that make up the province of Telangana. These are the main districts of Telangana: Medak, Adilabad, Nalgonda, Khammam, Nizamabad, Karimnagar, Rangareddy, Mahabubnagar, Hyderabad, Warangal. History of formation of Telangana. The movement to create a separate state of Telangana from Andhra Pradesh has started long back. There had been several movements, but the most important ones happened during 1969, 1972, and 2009. Over the years, the movement only gathered a lot of steam. The process of creating the separate state of Telangana was initiated on 9 December 2009 with a formal announcement from the Indian government. Pranab Mukherjee, the President of India, provided his consent to the decision on 1 March 2014, and the Gazette notification for the same was brought out on the same day. It was announced by the Indian government on 4 March 2014. The new state of Telangana would be created, and hence it was formed on 2 June 2014. Geography of Telangana. Telangana is situated on the Deccan Plateau in the central stretch of eastern seaboard of the Indian peninsula. It covers 112.77 square kilometers, 273 square meters. The region is drained by two major rivers with about 79% of the Godavari River catchment area and about 69% of the Krishna River catchment area, but most of the land is arid. Telangana is also drained by the several minor rivers such as Bhima, the Menar, the Manjira, and the Musi. Climate of Telangana. Telangana is a semi-arid area and has a predominantly hot and dry climate. Summers start in March and peak in May, with average high temperatures in the 42 degrees Celsius, 108 degree range. The monsoon arrives in June and lasts until September with about 755 meter to 29.7 inches of precipitation. A dry, mild winter starts in late November and lasts until early February with little humidity and average temperatures in 22 to 23 degrees Celsius at range. Ecology of Telangana. The Central Deccan Plateau dry deciduous forest ecoregion covers much of the state including Hyderabad. The characteristic vegetation is woodlands of Hardwikia binata and Albizia amara. Over 80% of the original forest cover has been cleared for agriculture, timber harvesting, or cattle grazing, but large blocks of forests can be found in Nagar Junsagar, Sri Sailam Tiger Reserve, and elsewhere. The more humid eastern highlands, moist deciduous forests cover the eastern Ghats in the eastern parts of the state. Parks and sanctuaries. Telangana has three national parks: Kasu Brahmananda Reddy National Park in Hyderabad district, and Mahavir Harina Vanastharya National Park and Mrugvani National Park in Rangareddy district. National parks and sanctuaries. Wildlife sanctuaries in Telangana include in Thiruvananthapuram Wildlife Sanctuary and Pagal Wildlife Sanctuary in Irangal District, Kaval Tiger Reserve and Prananhita Wildlife Sanctuary in Adilabad District, Kinnarsani Wildlife Sanctuary in Khammam District, Manjira Wildlife Sanctuary in Medak District, Nagarjuna Sagar Sri Sailam Tiger Reserve in Nalgonda and Mahbub Nagar Districts, Pocharam Wildlife Sanctuary in Medak and Nizamabad Districts, Shivaram Wildlife Sanctuary in Karimnagar District. Economy. The economy of Telangana is mainly driven by agriculture. Two important rivers of India, the Godavari and Krishna, flow through the state providing irrigation. Farmers in Telangana mainly depend on rain-fed water sources for irrigation. Rice is the major food crop. Other important crops are cotton, sugarcane, mango and tobacco. Tourism. Telangana State Tourism Development Corporation TSTDC is a state government agency which promotes tourism in Telangana. Telangana has a variety of tourist attractions including historical places, monuments, forts, waterfalls, forests and temples. Culture. You can see the culture. Waterfall. Kuntala Waterfall located in Kuntala, Adilabad district at 45 meters 140 feet is the biggest in the state. Infrastructure, you can see transport, government and politics. Telangana is governed by a parliamentary system of representative democracy, a feature that state shares with other Indian states. Universal suffrage is granted to residents. Education. Telangana has multiple institutes of higher education universities along with numerous primary and secondary schools. The Department of Higher Education deals with matters relating to education at various levels in the state of Telangana. Thank you very much. Bye bye.